Morning, my people. You know already what it is. It's Moby One. May our blessings inspire one. We are at Victoria Coach Station with the gang. We're heading to Devon for our performance tomorrow. Let's go. Envy, how you feeling, bro?
Boom. Ready more than ever. Long time I didn't touch the stage, you get me? So yeah, man, ready to go bless it up. Devon, here we come.
We are at Victoria Coach Station. Yes, we're heading to Devon. Our first time ever for me. We're going to be performing tomorrow night. It's going to be absolutely incredible. We're with the whole team today. There's a lot of us. Really, really excited to get on the coach, write some music on the way there, vibe, chill, catch up on some sleep because we had a show last night. But yeah, man, follow the journey. We'll see you in the next spot. So right now we're on the coach. The line is not too great. Me and Amanda managed to get the long space seats. Very, very lucky. It is for two people. Everybody else is around us.
People problems. I have short people problems. Wait, I can't reach you.
Oh, but yeah, but at least you can go underneath like short.
When I'm on aeroplanes and stuff, I
Oh. Could be worse. It could be worse. It could be. Trust me. They're shorter people.
In my head, when you said something, I was like, right, who is
Yeah, so we got how long's this journey? 4 hours? 5 hours?
6 hours, you bro.
We're gonna get there at 5.
6 hours.
We're gonna get there at 5 o'clock.
Okay. PM.
6.5.
Yeah, bro, that's 6
PM.
Yes, bro.
We are leaving at 10 a.m.
10:30.
I could be in Nigeria by the time I'm melting.
Oh my days. Yeah, so basically it's going to be a long journey. It should be a little bit fun either way. We're going to stop.
You
Okay.
know what? That's why
Gonna
it
be
takes
some
long
stops.
because we've got to stop and drop people off and pick things up.
Oh,
All
okay.
these people are going one.
But yeah, should be a good journey. Excited for it.
Because every time we stop and pick up people,
Last time we stopped at Bristol, that was it. We stopped at
Oh, okay,
Bristol.
nice. But yeah, we'll sleep for a bit. We'll eat for a bit. Maybe vibe for a bit. And then we're going to do a bunch of editing as well. But yeah, we'll see you in the next segment. Quick update, we're still on the coach. It's about 3.5 hours later. Super tired, had a nap, done a bit of work, edited a bunch of stuff. How you feeling, Amanda?
Tired.
Yeah, I think it's got to the point where everybody's just done out for the day. We want to get there and we just want to get into our rooms and stuff. But yeah, literally hungry, tired. But yeah, no, the journey's been good. But yeah, it's been alright. The next thing you'll see is when we get to the hotel. Oh, so we just landed in, I think it's Tiverton, the place we're called. We're in Barnstable, apparently. Sorry. We just got off the National Express coach. We're literally going to walk to the hotel now. I got my bag. The sun's out. It's feeling good. I'm well rested. I had a good little nap on the coach. We're going to get to the room. Just got into the room now. Literally going to get settled. It's been a very, very long day of traveling from London to here. But yeah, going to get settled, get some dinner. And then, yeah, I guess explore the town for a little bit before we get prepared for tomorrow. We are in the pub. We're about to have dinner. Oh my gosh, it's so grainy. Wow, the lighting here is not great, but it is what it is. But yeah, no, we're about to have dinner. Should be good, and then we'll probably just do a couple warm-ups for tomorrow, figure out the set list, all that kind of stuff. I've already got it in my head, but yeah, it's very, very loud. So yeah.
I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? I didn't mean it like that.
Get some caviar this time.
I don't give a fuck about focus. But I had to call the enforcer.
I was like, no, he blocked it. And I went, oh, he blocked it.
That's what I'm looking for.
Oh, your God.
14-year-old theft of no choice in foreign ground. Took the law on 16-year-old. They tried to kidnap, forgot to lock that back to this. And I passed the ball, good for them done. Had to leave and I had to be strong. Can't really jump you all. Let some nits on back, it's done. Girls have tipped her hat, won't go even one way, took it on 60 tons. Grateful dog for what I have. Mama and Papa alive and well moved back to them. Push time to share all top that realm of technical. Had to leave, spend the glass I built. Piece by piece, kept trimming the wings to see the jealousy. To paint for them to see how we succeed. Stop teaching kids like that's the thing. Pass on more, think up later. Like it, I've read the red time to leave it. Time to see it in my feet.
It's impossible to get 900. Come on. Follow through. Slipped. He slipped it. I mean, whoa. No.
Okay, day 2. We're in Devon. Today is show day. We're by the river at the moment. It looks pretty simple. We're just doing some performance shots, Q&As, questions, photography and that kind of stuff just so that we can get some content while we're up here. But yeah, no, it's a beautiful day so far. I can't really complain. The sun has been out. My room is super hot. There's no AC, but there is a fan. So hopefully things will be all right in the long run. But yeah, no, it's a nice little scenery. Basically like a, I don't know, London 10 years ago type vibe. But it's nice being here. It's nice being around good energy, good people, a bunch of artists and stuff. And yeah, so I need to get something to eat because I haven't eaten yet. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I just took a little bit longer to get ready this morning than everybody else. So I need to get something to eat. And then we've got sound check, I think at 5 p.m. And then we're gonna go back and get changed and get ready for the show. Welcome all the guests, all of that kind of good stuff. And then yeah, getting into the sets. So fingers crossed, everything goes well. I'll see you when we do our next escapade.
I just made it through a difficult time. I got rubber burn, sizzled and fried. Tried to jump, reach for the sky. But a sweet one, yeah, she saved my life. I really can't lie. My mental health in the bin, don't wanna fall in. Surrounded by sin, I'm alive. Got one more try, man, it weren't my time. Life is like a test that you didn't study for, man. You gotta wing it. If I'm at the table, it's unstable still. Grab my paddle and ping it. I'm across the board and it's black and white on top. True say I just king it. Like, I haven't told you my skin red and white on fire. I'm trying to extinguish. True say, man, I lost some melanin. I'm telling them the story is relevant, better than who. I rap too much, so they say that my voice is hoarse. Ketamine still on these anti-knees. I need some real help, not syrup or medicine. Take care of my dogs. I'm a veterinarian. I just made it through a difficult time. I got rubber burn, sizzled and fried. Tried to jump, reach for the sky. But a sweet one, yeah, she saved my life. I really can't lie. My mental health in the bin, don't want no fall in. Surrounded by sin, I'm alive. Got one more try, man, it weren't my time. I just made it through a difficult time. I got rubber burn, sizzled and fried. Tried to jump, reach for the sky. But a sweet one, yeah, she saved my life.
Got me feeling like a G stepping. Pray God guide my footsteps and put me in that place where the G's repping. Yeah, we're doing this with teach lessons. I keep praying that I read blessings. I keep praying that I reset. I was there on the pre-sentence. Pray God take away these stresses. Thank God I learned these lessons. Thank God for all of his blessings. Thank God for all of these settings. But I count them up and give them thanks. Cause from a long time ago we've been slaves to the roads. We've been slaves to them codes. Slaves to the landings. I can't be dealing with the badness. A lot of brothers never planned this. And now they're dealing with the madness. Family or sadness. I can't be dealing with these man there. Got me dealing with these randoms. I'm only dealing with the anthems. Yeah, DFG bang them. Put my faith into action. No faith in distractions. No faith in no madness. And no faith in no badness. Faith in my mindset. See me high, take it like that. See me high, let me fly that. High, take it right there. To a place where they write checks. I mean, they rap for me, my check. Rap for me, right check. Right price, yeah, they like that. Small talk, they don't like chat. Real talk and they bite back. Big talk, they don't like chat. Big talk, yeah, me like that. Me feeling like a G7.
Energy, let's go.
Put me in that place where the G's repping. Yeah, we're doing this, we teach lessons. I keep praying that I reach lessons. I keep praying that I free sessions. I was there on a pre-sentence. Pray God take away these stresses. Thank God I learned these lessons. Thank God for all of these blessings. Thank God for all of these settings.
I'm shooting the shooter.
All the shooters are gonna shoot.
It's true, fam.
Get me.
And the shooter's fresh like this, fam. Is your shooter fresh like this, fam? Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying, fam? Do you know what I'm saying?
Did your shooter design his own t-shirt?
We're going to get some food now finally. Currently in a really weird kind of alleyway. So we're gonna flip the camera so you can see. Doesn't really look like the UK, but I haven't really seen the UK like this before, so but it's nice to explore, see new things and stuff. So, you know, we're doing what's necessary right now. We're going through some scaffolding right now. So yeah, we're gonna go get some food. And hopefully the food will be nice. We're trying to find like what the local food is here. Somebody said it might be just like pasties because we're quite close to Cornwall, but I'm excited anyway to find out what we're gonna get to eat. So we just got back to the hotel now. I've got some food here. I mean, this isn't food, but I've got some other food. I've got some sushi in my pocket and I've got some vegan jerky from TK Maxx. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the room and chill for a bit. Apparently, sound check's been pushed back to 7 now, so we got a little bit of time to just, you know, chill, vibe. Oh my gosh, I've just dropped my ginger ale. Oh. yeah, it's a chill vibe and all that good stuff. So once you've done that, we'll start getting ready. Then we're gonna do probably a live stream later or something. Once we're ready, we're ready. Oh, this room is so hot, man. But yeah, but no, so far it's been a good day. We've got quite a bit of content. The light's been out, it's been really nice. And we're really gonna go and shoot some stuff once I've changed. And then yeah, we should be able to get going. But we'll see you probably when we're getting ready or in the next, probably in someone else's room getting ready or something. Okay, we're just gonna get ready to run down to the show now. I'm gonna go pick out my outfit. I've got most of my stuff in here, but it's looking like we're just gonna go with the purple, everything will be okay hoodie. Maybe the purple jacket, it's a bit warm outside, I'll take it with me anyway. And then I have the options for camo pants, these like I don't know what this is, some sort of satin. And then also these, I have these purple ones, but they literally split like not even that long ago, so I don't even know if I can wear them. They're looking at, oh, that's a bad rip, innit? That's a bad one. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get away with that. Yeah, so I'm now thinking, because we're gonna go with these purple shoes. They're in a bag at the moment because they got a bit dusty from the sand from wherever it was we went last time. But I'm thinking maybe these purple ones. We go with the purple ones. It might be a safe option instead of the camo. The camo will work, but it just won't tie the theme in together. So let's get changed. Okay, lighting's not too great, but we're ready. We're heading down to the lobby to meet a couple of people now. And yeah, I think we're gonna take a couple of photos outside the venue, and then we should be inside getting nice and warm. So we're outside the venue at the moment, just cooling off. For some reason, it's bare greeny, I don't know why. But yeah, we're gonna get on the stage probably in the next sort of half an hour. I think the DJ's just uploading the tracks and stuff, but so far so good, everything's good. Fit's looking good, everybody's ready to go, everybody's charged up. Ready, he's animating a mad thing at the moment. Look at this. Mad, absolutely mad. That's something we shot earlier today, so yeah, everything's going really well. And yeah, I guess we'll probably see. Some guy just punched a car because he's angry in the middle of the road, and then he fell over. I don't even know why he got so angry and he punched the whip, but happens anyway. But yeah, I guess we're gonna see you probably inside next. It's a bit dark. We're in the club right now. Wills is on stage, and we're on second to last, just before Kel. So feeling good, feeling warm. It's quite packed as well, so I'm just gonna get everybody to come a bit closer, keep the story, and then we're gonna get into the vibe. But yeah, so far so good. I can't really complain. It's going quite well. We're having good vibes, good energy. It's dark though, isn't it? It is dark. Barnstable, make some That's what I'm talking about. I go by the name of Moby One, that stands for May Our Blessings Inspire One. I'm a burn survivor from West London, and music saved my fucking life, man. The first song is literally about my journey. I hope you enjoy it, man. Take a couple steps forward, man. Come in close, come in close, come in close. If you're on the back, come forward. If you're sitting down, stand up. Let's go.
Never wanna show me the lane ones. I'm stuck on this app like detention, the dimension. I've got rhythms got bad intentions. I'm on the track, their balance. The question. Switch it up at the intersection. I've got good retention. Invest in me, I'm a lyrical henchman. She wanna bounce with me, suspension. It's sexual to me like a headman. I really didn't ask for this. I put the work in, don't ever wanna live on state mentions. question time, question time. Oh yeah. If I was wearing up my tail, would you catch me? Or would you leave me on my phone and walk past me? Would you ease my pain while my back locks up? Or would you get an attitude and just leave me stuck?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jamie. Happy birthday to you. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you. We're gonna have some music. If you best in one is mine, best believe you're gonna play that. Run it up. Come on, I've been coming up. This is more fun. You need to slow down. No, this is running and turn it up to that scene. My team, I know that I'm gonna make this real.
You would have seen some show starts. It's been a pretty mad day. We finished the show. We did really well at the end. Shut it down. Very, very happy with how it went. Just in the lift now. We're gonna head back to the hotel room and call it a night. Probably see you guys in the morning. Good morning. We're back awake again. I had a couple pages of this book to catch up on, but amazing book as it is. Just packed everything up, basically ready to leave now, which is 6. So we're gonna get downstairs, meet the rest of the people. I've just taken a couple of tablets, and then we're gonna get stepping. I've been recording for the longest time. Basically, we're just in Poundland now, trying to get some snacks for the journey. I can't, £3 for £3. Yeah, you can't be doing that to me. You can't be doing that to me. I've got to get out of here. So I've got 2 electrolyte drinks, 1 packet of sweets in the end, just so I can graze on it during the journey. I've got a vegan Cornish pasty in my pocket and a vegan sausage roll. And I might get some fruit as well, I think, just to top it off. They've even got cabanossi here. It's my team. Yeah, I think we get fruit or some water, maybe. I don't know. My water might be a shout, innit? Yeah, let's have a look. Just at the till now, I decided not to get any fruit because they don't have any like ready-made fruit that you can have. It's just like a wash it one, so we're just gonna go with what we got here, and if I can get anything else, I'll get it. But the coach comes at like 11:20, and we're gonna start stepping back. So yeah, we just got on the coach. We're gonna head back to London now. It's been a tough weekend, but yeah, I'm just probably gonna edit up some thumbnails, probably the one for this. Any other short form and stuff like that I need to edit. Just keep the work flowing really. Got banana. My electrolyte juice, which should get me through this 5 to 6 hour journey. But yeah, if I don't end this video here, I'll just say thank you for watching. I really appreciate you coming on the journey with us to Devon, and I hope you enjoyed the performances, just the video in general. And you can obviously follow me on Instagram, find out a little bit more about the next shows, all of that kind of stuff. But yeah, appreciate you locking in, and I will catch you on the next one.